what is going on guys? Another day, another accessory for SRV 200. And ngayon naman pag-usapan natin ang CC bar or yung backrest para sa ating mga OBR. Kasi nagpagawa ko kay Sir Miko ulit. Shoutout ulit Sir Miko, M Customs Garage. And ayun, may different style sila ng CC bar. Yung pinagawa ko is yung maliit lang. Meron din naman silang yung mahaba. You can just PM the Facebook page of M Customs Garage or si Sir Miko mismo. So yan, ipakita ko sa inyo kung alin yung CC bar. Ito yung CC bar na sinasabi ko. It has also a foam na pwede handigan ng ating mga OBR. So yan. Yan. May dalawa na silang butas, designated na also for SRV 200 dun sa fairings nila sa likod ng motor. And also, plug and play lang siya. Ayan, as you can see, made from solid steel and ganda ng pagkakapaint. So, kanina nabagsak ko, kaya nagkagasgas ng konti, pero okay lang. So I tried installing the CC bar myself, but sa kasamang palad, I don't have the proper tools to install this one. So I asked a friend of mine na which is also nagkabit rin ng 8 bar sa ating SRV 200 dito lang sa city namin. Di ko rin madadala to doon sa kanila since mas mabigat to and mas bulkier kaysa sa 8 bar, unlike the last video na dinala ko lang siya gamit sa hips. So ayan, update ko na lang po kayo if nakabit na and kung okay naman lahat. So ayan. And then again, Sir Miko, M Customs Garage, thank you so much for this wonderful accessory for SRV 200. I know marami pang accessories na available for SRV like the head cowling, also the tank lift, and the convertible seat ng SRV 200. Also, Guys, if you want mag-change ng exhaust, full system exhaust, gumagawa rin si Sir Miko ng double barrel. And so ayun. Also, binigyan ako ni Sir Miko ng freebie, which is the M Customs Cap. Thank you so much. Naalala ko nung first order ko ng engine cowling, yung first freebie niya sa akin is yung spray, M Custom spray na you can spray anywhere, gloves, maging sa helmet and all. So, thank you so much ulit, sir. And I would also like to thank all those viewers sa ating YouTube channel and also sa TikTok, all those commenting and asking for updates for all the accessories sa ating SRB 200. Don't worry po, I will post a vid regarding all my accessories kay SRB 200, their purpose, their price, and kung saan ko po nabili. So, again, ride safe po always sa ating lahat and God bless. Maraming salamat.